Hello and welcome to the VCM exam sheet for Grade 2 keyboard. So in this particular part of the exam I'm going to show you the exam criteria so you know what to do and how to prepare for your examination. So first of all, let's talk about the scales. Now what you've got to remember is because you've learned so many scales now, the examiner will only ask you to play a representative example of these. He or she won't ask you to play all of them. And also you might be asked to do the scales separate hands as well as hands together. So do practice both ways so you're prepared for that. And don't be upset if you only get a few scales asked in the exam. That's quite common. And all the scales are listed in the exam sheet at the front, and they've all been covered in your tutor book, so you won't get any shocks. Now moving on to the pieces. Now with the pieces you have to play 3 pieces from each list. So you've got the list A, you've got the list B, and you've got the list C. Now in the list A you've got a choice from the tutor book of Getting in the Scottish Spirit and Greensleeves. Now again, remember that you have got quite a few other books that you can purchase. If you want to try something a little bit different, you can purchase these books. Now in list B, the piece that's recommended from the tutor book is Jericho. And then in list C, you've got a choice of, from the tutor book, Country E-flat Blues, Early Miss Rising and Mysterious Places. Now as for the musicianship tests and the composition, if you want further help and further guidance on the musicianship tests, they can be purchased from vcmpublications.co.uk. With the musicianship tests there are specimen sheets, but there's also a CD version that you can buy so you can listen to the kind of examples that you may well get for your musicianship tests. As for the composition, you can purchase a book called Crazy Composing, which gives you complete help right the way through from grade 1 through to grade 8. There's also some YouTube videos to go with the book to help you with the composition element of the exam. So I wish you luck for your grade 2 examination, and I hope to see you for grade 3.